Hi, it's Darwin with 965 Guitars, and I would like to show you my favorite amplifier out of the Supro reissue amplifiers. It's the Thunderbolt. It's probably the simplest one out of the bunch. It's 35 watt, Class A, single 15-inch speaker combo. It's powered by a pair of 6L6s. Now, when you look at it on paper, you see a pair of 6L6s. You see a 15-inch speaker. You kind of get an idea of what it sounds like. It sounds nothing like it. It sounds more like an AC30 with a lot more bottom end. Very touch-sensitive amplifier. A lot of color that pops out when you hit it harder, right? When you have it at the point of breaking up. Very simple amplifier. It has a volume and a tone control, and that's all you really need. Enough of my talking. Let's plug into this thing and see how it sounds. Okay, here is the Amplifier Clean. The volume control is sitting about 9 o'clock. The tone control is straight up at 12. The guitar I'm using is a Fender Standard Stratocaster, and the pickups in it are a set of Lawler Vintage Tweeds. We'll start off with the bridge pickup and just hear how bright and clean and crystal clear this amplifier is. Let's switch over to the next position on the switch. A little bit of the neck pickup. Okay, here we have it in an overdriven setting. The volume and tone knobs are both at 10 o'clock, so just shy of straight up. And just pay attention to the detail that you get with this amplifier. It's very crisp up on the top end, but it still has a nice bottom. It just sounds really good. Here's an example of and the dynamics that you get. Also, you're going to take leads with the neck pickup. It's nice and creamy. Get a big full bottom. Little bridge pickup. Here we go. We're at full saturation here on this amplifier now, and what I'm using to demo the amplifier now, I have a Les Paul with a pair of 57 Classics in it, and the amplifier, the volume is set at about 2 o'clock. Tone control is still about 10. I would say it's at full saturation at this point. You can get a little bit more gain out of it if you want, but still plenty crunchy, but still plenty sensitive dynamically. So here's a little bit of that. But still very touch sensitive. Here's a little bit of the neck pickup, just really creamy. just a really, really nice sounding amp, driven hard.